Oh! That was a big fucking explosion.
Damn.
That was a big fucking explosion.
Alright, this is Ryan Ray. Got a 30-06. About to blow up this TV. Got the Tannerite in there. 30-06 bolt action Winchester Featherlight. It's probably 100 degrees, but it feels like it's about 150. And I'm gonna blow this TV. Good shot. Damn. Motherfucker disappeared. First shot. How's that feel? It feels about as good as it sounds to you. Actually, it feels better. It feels like a fucking orgasm. Alright, cut. Today we are here with Shane Scamardo. Oh. We're about to get it. All right. Holy fuck. Oh my God. Well, I think we got it. So, it's dead, and we'll see what happened to it after I get out of this cattle pen.
Holy fuck. Oh my God.
All right, I think we hit it. I think we got it. Shane, would you like to give a description of this fine specimen here? What we have here is a 1985 Trinitron. As you can see, the screen is completely been blown out. Uh-huh. Speakers gone. Interesting. So all these parts, would one really think you would need all these parts and all this extra space for a TV? These are unwanted. Yeah, it seems as though TVs today are flat, and these appear to be a giant cardboard box shape with a small screen. There ain't no need for these anymore. Yeah. They're just a disease. Yep, you gotta put them down. Yeah, if not, it sure as hell is fun. Alright, let's do it again. Alright, so we've been having, when we catch these TVs, you know, we've been having a little bit of trouble with them. They're not exactly cooperating with us all the way. We're trying to put explosives in them so we can shoot them and blow them up. You know, but sometimes it's a little hard to open the TVs up. Shane, how do you think we could get the explosives inside of the TV? How do you think that would work? Oh. It sounds like there's a python inside of the TV. But yeah, Shane got some nice expensive boots, steel toe boots at Walmart, and we've been having just a real, what the fuck was that for real? Alright, today we're out here blowing up TVs. We have a 22 semi-automatic. We got a 30-06 bolt action Winchester Featherlight. We got some Tannerite over there inside the TV. We got a propane tank, and we had the bright idea of putting a sparkler next to it, so when everything explodes, hopefully it'll explode the propane tank and catch the flame, and we'll get a huge explosion. TV will go up, and we'll see a big fireball of gas. So yeah, let's do this.
Oh! Nice.
Nice.
Okay. Holy shit. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, Tannerite's my new favorite target. There was glass whizzing by me. I felt it. Felt it whiz by my face, my head, both my hands. Looks like we have a hole-in-one, ladies and gentlemen. Golf clap. Oh, fucking bull nettle.
Holy shit. Oh my god, dude.
Oh, yeah! Oh,
shit!
what?
The leaves are burning on the tree.
It's alright.
Oh, it's good.
Dude, that was awesome.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh.
Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh!
Oh, shit! You okay? Oh. You okay? Oh. Oh, shit! You okay? Oh. You okay? Oh.
Wow.
Side by side, there's only one more bullet left.
I mean, it's pointless.
I hit it. Wow.
Damn.
Oh shit, did you was fucking shell?
Nice.
And that's why everybody loves 22s. Yeah, see, this is what it does to it when it jams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.